On the freight farm, what crops do you grow on the freight farm?
We stick mainly to lettuces. We haven't tested anything else, that a vine crop or something along those lines, or a root crop, though we have heard success from other farms. We do about 8 crops in total, between brassicas and like leafy greens. So collard greens, kale, bok choys and pak choys, salanovia, red oak leaf lettuce, some herbs. We've dabbled in basil and Thai basil, like Genovese and Thai basil. But all in all, I'd say 8 separate crops out of the freight farm. Before Clear Zona, we were dealing with a lot of root growth and like entanglement, as well as just organic matter buildup within those wicking strips and in our reservoir. As we started dosing, we took Clear Zona on we shocked our system once, and then we went into a every other day or 2 times a week dosing. We did notice that after that push and cleaning, our reservoir was much more clear, had a much higher level of clarity with less like debris or like particles floating throughout it. Our emitters were less clogged, and our wicking strips did not have to be changed out as much. It's now been almost 7 months since our wicking strips were changed, and they're still going without being cleaned. We changed out our wicking strips for brand new ones back in February, and these were brand new, out of the box sort of wicking strips. We replaced all of them in our freight farm, and to this day, September 8th, we've been through somewhat of a rotation of 5 to 6 crops in every section without having to clean those strips. Normally we were taking them out due to really an overabundance of root growth and going to our local laundromat and driving them crazy. We haven't done that this year at all, when I think of that, and I think that's really great, and we're still going. It saves on labor, it saves on time. There's an increase in yield. An overall feeling of change occurred after using Clear Zona for the better.